Alright, today we're looking at a 2015 Buick Verano. It's mocha bronze in color. It's got 49,000 miles on it. Clean Carfax, one owner. Alright, we'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle. We'll start here on the driver's side. The nice chrome trim around the windows. Driver's side of the Verano is in great shape. Everything looks good there. Make our way down the passenger side. Exterior of the Verano is in great shape. Once again, it's a 2015, 49,000 miles, clean Carfax, one owner, mocha bronze in color. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. All right, got the two-tone door panels here, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Okay. It's got the light khaki leather seats. Okay, but it does have the cloth insert here with the leather trim. Okay, driver's seat's in good shape. All right, passenger seat is as well. Okay, it is an automatic. Dual climate controls. AM, FM, CD player. All right, your radio display is going to be right there, and we'll show you that in just a second. Leather wrapped steering wheel. It's got your steering wheel audio and Bluetooth. You got cruise control over here on this side. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage. All right, also want to give you a shot of this. It is also equipped with the rear backup camera. It's also got the guidelines there as well. All right, it's got 49,306 miles. Now that we've got it started, let's go ahead and show you the radio display here. All right, here's all your apps. You can hit this button there to cycle through all of them. Your CD player down here. Dual climate controls. Let's go ahead and hop out. We'll take a look in the back seat, and we'll take a look at the trunk space. Door panels back here look good. Carpet's also nice and clean, no staining on the carpet. Back seat cloth looks good. Same thing here, got the leather trim with the cloth inserts. Center console comes down, got your cup holders there. Go ahead and give you a driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. All right, let's take a look in the trunk. Carpet back here looks good. Plenty of space. Go ahead and lift this up. Got the jack and the tire under there. Let's take a look at the wheels and tires. We've got, what size here? 17-inch alloys. All right. Tires are in great shape. It's a brand new set of tires. All right, once again, it's a 15 Buick Verano, mocha bronze in color. It's 49,000 miles on it. It's got a clean Carfax, one owner. This thing's in great shape. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.